Alrighty, I've got the Caustic editor for the Volca Sample loaded onto my Ubuntu desktop. I don't really like, there's a couple of sounds in the sampler that really don't do it for me. That one, that one, that one. Don't like them. Don't like them. No cowbell. Not as good as that sound. So, I've loaded up the sample editor. And we have in samples 90, 91, 92, 93. Got a tabla. Different tabla. More different tabla. And an udu, which is, it's kind of like a tabla. I've loaded them in. They're samples that I recorded from my DX200. So we're going to plug the audio out of the laptop onto this tapeworm looking cable I've got going on here. Then we're going to plug that into the sync in on the Volca Sample. And we're going to find the cursor. You can hit sync and it's going to say, hey, have you got this plugged into here? And I'll go, sure I do. Then I'm going to press start, but then what happens on the unit there, you get a nice little light show happening. So let's press start. See, we've got a nice little glimmer there as the data is transmitting. I believe the counter, the little bar graph charges up there as each sound is going in. Let's just get a bit of a close up on that. That's really pretty. I really like that. So then it goes end. Then we unplug that. Function keys flashing. And that's it. It really is that easy to load up samples onto your Korg Volca Sample. So you should be doing it. You should be changing the sounds that you don't like in it. There's 100 sounds. You can't like all of them. So change them around, put in your own sounds. You're a fool if you don't. Peace out.